Hey there, Simplifiers. It's Eileen Reed, Simplify with Eileen Organizing. Wanted to share an experience I had recently with you. I gave a presentation to a women's home and garden club the other night, and one of the women in the audience shared that she was having a struggle and a challenge with what to do with boxes filled with her dad's letters. So something to consider with things like that is that they were her dad's personal letters. They were meaningful to him, and they were sort of evidence of his life. And we don't have to feel obligated to hang on to those types of things. If you do want to hang on to some, what I always encourage people to think about is when everything is special, nothing is special. Meaning that, you know, the whole set of boxes, that's really not what matters. Maybe there's one in there that really speaks to her heart, and that's the one that she can save. Or maybe save the first one and the last one, but not all the boxes. We really have to try and understand that holding on to and assuming things into our lives that belong to someone else's lives, even if it's someone we love very much, that's not always the best way to go. So I hope this tip has been helpful. For more, check out my website, Simplify with Eileen. And thanks for tuning in. Simplify with Eileen, your life simplified. Have a good one.